Everywhere I go, people continue to say stupid things. Somebody said life isn't fair, like death is going to give you some great advantage. We grew up all our lives hearing the phrase, the grass is always greener. You ever turn grass over? Stupid things we say. And we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Of course we're going to cross that bridge when we come to it. That's why they put it up. It's a bridge, not a stop sign. Never kick a man when he's down. Can you tell me a better time?
Yeah, 24 hours.
You seen the 24-hour fitness center? And they got a little sign underneath it, open 6 a.m. to midnight. Why they do stupid stuff like that? Stupid bunny. I had a pint of Haagen-Dazs ice cream.
A pint of Haagen-Dazs.
A loaf of bread, 3 bananas, 6 Coca-Colas, a Wall Street Journal, moon pie, honey bun, and 3 bags of pork rinds. Cashier says to me, "You want a bag?" I said, "Stupid stuff here."